Hello everyone. Welcome to Nextilo. The wonder has a name. Your one-stop destination for all medical learning needs. I am Manjula Naidu, one of the co-founders of Nextilo Medical Education Platform. Imagine a pump working relentlessly 24/7 without any break day and night and without any electricity supply. Surprising, right? Yet it's interesting. Let's make it more interesting with Dr. Pinaki Vani, the Faculty of Human Physiology.
Thank you so much, Manjula.
Welcome
Thank you
to
so
the show.
much.
Thank you. So, can you please throw some light on this example of the pump that I told you?
Yes, it is very interesting to know about this particular pump which is working effortlessly right from the day of conception to the last day that the person is surviving till death. And yes, you rightly mentioned and you rightly guessed it, it's heart. How interesting it will be to understand about how heart is working continuously, how it generates impulse, how it throws pump, how it pumps the blood to the entire body right from the head to the toe. So that is what we are going to make easier for you to understand on this particular platform Nextilo with the help of enormous faculty members with wonderful experience. So that is our effort.
Great. So, coming to the other few crucial things that we're looking to discuss on this. What are the fundamental understanding of the body functioning?
So basically, human physiology or medical physiology, if you know about it in small detail, it is about understanding how the body is functioning, how the body tries to maintain the normalcy or the equilibrium.
Right.
So in order to maintain the normalcy or the equilibrium, entire body, right from the central nervous system to cardiovascular system to respiratory system to the renal system, gastrointestinal tract, musculoskeletal system, reproductive system, all these systems come together to maintain this normalcy, which is nothing but physiology, which is nothing but fundamentals and basic key concept of the human survival. So we have all these systems working together, and in physiology we'll try to understand how these systems in their small little way contribute in maintaining this homeostasis and this normalcy, which is what is a beautiful subject called physiology.
Great. Well explained, Dr. Pinaki. Can you please provide us some key concepts and fundamental things that is really the techniques to study for their competitive exams?
So basically, as I've just now told you, that human physiology is all about the basics. It's all about how the body is functioning. So if you can correlate it with your day-to-day mannerisms, say for example, right from the very early morning when you get up. So the process of you getting up in the morning is because of the biological clock which triggers by the circadian rhythm. So this is nothing but physiology. The next thing that you do is you have your breakfast. What triggers you to have that breakfast is what is physiology. The next thing that you do is you start working out, you exercise. What are the body changes which are happening during exercise is nothing but physiology. So what I want to tell you is, if you can correlate your day-to-day mannerisms, your day-to-day activities to your understanding, to the concepts of physiology, things become relatively much easier. I'll give you one more example. What triggers me to drink water? So there are a series of events which happen in your body, right from changes in the plasma osmolarity, which will act on the cells, which will trigger the signals to the hypothalamus, and the hypothalamus will then act on the kidney and will retain water. It's a very simple logical explanation, but you need to understand this entire mechanism, how and when the body needs to drink water. This particular mechanism is nothing but what we learn in physiology. So this is how we can make things a little more easier by correlating it with our day-to-day activities.
Wonderful. And this is where Nextilo plays a vital role in connecting with the right videos, the study materials, and the required content to know more about human physiology.
Absolutely. So this particular platform of Nextillo, which has combinations and integrated material in the form of videos, in the form of question answer session, MCQ discussion, conceptualization of the particular topic, all this is provided on this particular platform, which will help you build up your concepts, which will help you understand the basics. And once the basics are understood, then further building up of your medical knowledge becomes much more easier. And obviously it will help you not only become a doctor, a good doctor for the society, but also help you crack your exams with flying colors.
Wonderful. Last but not the least, just wanted to check with you if you can give us or our students the exam tips or techniques to learn the basic concepts of human physiology in a much easier way.
So yes, as I have told you, this particular platform of Nextillo is a wonderful app which will be a one-step or one-stop solution for you to find out about all the basics that are required for the exam preparation. But in addition to it, I would also like to add on the point that if it is possible for you to make notes which are crisp, which are precise and pertaining to the points related to the discussion made by multiple faculty members and your notes reading, it will help you especially during the exam point of view or during the revision times where the duration is less and you have to cover the entire portion. So this particular notes preparation, which is very crisp and precise, will help you. Another point that I would like to add over here is if you could put everything in flowchart manner and in a diagrammatic manner, it helps you to recollect things and understand the matter in a much simpler way. So this is another way which I can tell you. Obviously, as a faculty member over here, along with all the other faculty members, we are available 24/7 to help you clear your doubts, to help you understand the concepts more clearly, to discuss with you your doubts, and we are there for you basically.
Great. And with Nextillo having all the unique features like the study planner, the content matcher, and the MediBuddy, and a lot of other unique features, this is going to be making human physiology more interesting.
Sure.
Yeah? So stay tuned to know more about the deep lectures of human physiology by Dr. Pinaki Vani. So good luck, stay tuned.